Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss how you can create the custom audiences based on the CRM data that you have, like the email addresses or phone numbers of the people or your previous audience that you have, how you can create the audience based on that data. So there are first of all three requirements. So I am going to discuss first of all the three requirements before creating the audience based on your CRM data. So first of all, your ads manager account must be in business manager. So if you are using your personal ads manager account for creating and managing the ads, you will not be able to create the custom audience based on your previous customers or the CRM data. The next requirement, you must have the data in CSV format. So you must have your data to be exported into the CSV format. If you have the Excel data or any other data, so you can convert that data into CSV format. And then the main thing that based on that data, just example, if you want to create the audience based on the email addresses, so the Excel or in the CSV format, your main first row includes, like, just example, email or phone numbers or whatever the things based on the data you want to create the audience. So you must have that data in that format. So just as an example, I am opening an Excel sheet. So the first format must be like the emails. The first row includes the headline of email. Then you can simply just example first name, last name. You can also include these things, but normally we are creating the custom audiences based on the email addresses or based on the phone numbers. So the first row must include these things. And then how you can convert your data into CSV format, you can simply just go to the save as, select the destination, and then from here there are the different options available. So from these options you need to select CSV comma delimited. So you need to use this option, and in that way you can convert your data into CSV format. So right now I already have the data in the CSV format. So what the next thing or next step you need to do is to simply from the business tools simply go to the audience section, and from the audience section click on the create audience, and from create audience click on this custom audience option, and then click on the customer list. Then click on the next button, and it's asking there are like some of their guidelines. You can check these guidelines. You can even include download their template and put the data in that template, or you can directly import from MailChimp, or you can see others formatting guidelines as well. So here are the different, like, the identifiers, like email address, phone number, mobile advertiser ID, Facebook app user ID, Facebook page user ID, something like this. Other in modifiers or identifiers are like city, country, region, or county, zip codes. These are all the things. And if you also have the customer lifetime value, you can also put in the customer value as well. So simply I am clicking on the next button. Then it's asking for, does your list include a column for customer value? So right now I don't have any value, so I am just clicking on that. But if you have the value, you can simply click on the yes button. Then you need to tick on this option that you agree to the their terms and conditions. Then click on next. then you need to upload your data here. Again, you can download the CSV format from here and put your data if you don't have previously CSV data available. Then click on the upload file and then move to that box where your data is available. So simply just example, I have added like the subscribe members of this one, and then the in the last option you can put its name. So just example, the subscribers or subscriber members. And then you can simply if you want to add any description of that audience, you can do that. Otherwise, simply click on the next button and it will start hashing the data. So here you can see it identified based on the email addresses and based on the their LEIDs, like the phone numbers. So then simply you need to click on the import and create. Also for the other it mapped two of the rows, the other action needed, like it's showing the other things, and it already included do not upload or something like that, so you don't need to include any of these things. So simply I right now I want to create this audience based on email addresses, so that's fine. So even you can exclude this audience, do not upload if you want, it's totally up to you. And then click on import and create. And again the 23 unmapped identifiers, it's asking for you don't want to include or want to include that. I don't want to include, so I will click on upload anyway. Now you can see it's the upload in progress. Your data is being hashed. Don't close the window until it's fully uploaded or it may stop. Okay, so right now you can see your customer list is hashed and uploaded. So 2845 rows are uploaded. So 100% the my data is 100% hashed. Like all the members are available on the Facebook. So based on that, if you want to create the lookalike audience, or you want to create the ad based on this audience or create another audience, you can select an option. But right now I am just clicking on done button. So this one here you can see the subscriber members. This list is created, but is for the availability it needs to ask the accept the terms and conditions. So I am clicking on this accept the terms and then I accept. So now it's showing some error, but after some time it will be, if all the things are properly added there, then it will be available for creating the ad. So I have refreshed it to check what is the error there. Okay, so I will check this error, but this is the method from where you can upload your members or the upload your email addresses or create the custom audience based on this data.